How to fix your iMessages are not syncing between your Mac and your iPhone. So in this video, I'll show you how you can receive your messages on both your phone and your Mac, and also how to sync the messages between devices. So the first thing you need to do is come over to your Mac computer and click on the Apple logo in the top left hand side. You can then press System Settings and click on your account name at the top of the page. Now first of all, you need to make sure that you're signed in to the same Apple account on both your iPhone and also Mac computer. So you can see right here, this is the account that I'm signed into on my Mac, and I need to make sure that this matches the account that's signed into my iPhone. Now once you've done this, click on iCloud and then click on Messages. Make sure Use on this Mac is turned on like so, and then go and press Done. You can then close out of this window and go and open up the Messages app on your Mac computer. Now once you're on Messages, you need to come up to Messages at the top of the page and then click on Settings. Now click on iMessage and make sure you're signed into the same Apple account here as well. Now also make sure Enable Messages in iCloud is turned on like this, and you may need to press the Sync Now button to go and sync your messages between the different devices. You'll also see the section that says you can be reached for messages at. Make sure you have the correct contact information selected. This can be your email address and also your phone number as well. Now if it's still not working, we'll need to head over to our iPhone. Once you're on your iPhone, go and load up the settings. You can then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Apps. Now scroll down again until you see Messages and go and click on this. You can then scroll down to Message Forwarding and make sure this is turned on for your Mac computer. Once you've gone through all of these steps, you should be able to receive messages between your iPhone and your Mac computer.